Right, so this is where we got to last time in refraction video number 2. This is refraction video number 3. And if you use your calculator, you should find that sine 30 is 0.5. So filling in here, let's go into black, and that's still green. Let's try black. Okay, go away. Okay, so it's 1.5 times sine 30. And sine 30 you should have found was 0.5. So 1.5 times 0.5 is 0.75. Use your calculator. And then we had the tricky bit. We had to take the inverse sine of that. So the inverse sine of 0.75 comes to 48.5 degrees. So the first thing I asked you to check was, is that value for theta 1 greater than theta 2? And the answer is theta 2, looking up here, was 30 degrees. So yes, 48.5 is greater than 30 degrees. That's a good start. Then the next thing to do is that when you've got the 48.5 in your calculator, just press the sine button again and check that sine 48.5 is equal to 0.75. Now after that, you just need practice. And so I've set you some multiple choice questions to do where you have to calculate theta 1, you have to calculate theta 2. So we've got n1, n2, theta 1, theta 2, and you have to calculate the unknown one. Now it's worth noting with refraction, I've drawn this picture a few times, that when you have a picture like this, with the ray of light bending towards the normal, and theta 1 is bigger than theta 2 if n1 is less than n2. This ray follows this path, but a ray coming the other way would follow exactly the same path. So that tells us that what is happening at the junction is something that is to do with the relationship between medium number 1 and medium number 2. Okay, that's all I've got time for this time. So we'll look forward to refraction number 4 next.